Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 2019 Jeep Compass. 2019 Jeep Compass. Front parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry, keyless starting, privacy glass in the rear, rear parking sensors, rear camera. One owner with full service history. Side airbags, electronically adjustable passenger seat, locking wheel nuts, instruction manuals in there. Isofix rear seat, USB and a 3-pin outlet there. USB. Nice area under the floor. You can put this will go down below, so it's like a double height floor in the vehicle actually. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors as well, electronic adjustable driver's seat as well, push button stop start, keyless basically. Foot on the brake, push this button, vehicle starts. Different options. Your four-wheel drive. It's four-wheel drive the vehicle. Automatic, stop, start on and off, handbrake, traction control. Nice pocket here to store stuff. Vehicle's done 18,939 miles. Telephone buttons here, cruise control, speed limiter, wipers, lights are here, auto lights as well, reversing camera, heated steering wheel, heated seats, navigation, the map, telephone button here, climate control, heated seal. This is your temperatures here, move your temperature up and down. Lots of radio, lots of different options here. Heater controls here as well. Auto climate control, parking sensors, lane departure warning. This just turns your screen off. You touch it to turn it on. This is the volume for your radio. This is your tuning, this knob here. Lots of different options. Just turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. Turns the vehicle off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.